What's up? Oh, bright sunny morning. I'm Ohio. It's your boy Ethan. Getting over there. About to show him around town. I'm gonna go shopping. I didn't lock the door. And yeah, gonna be a good morning. But yeah, let's get it. But this building right here, this couple-story building, that's 100. You never go in there. That 200 building, that's financial aid.
Yeah, they said I have to go in building 300. So
300, that's this right here.
yeah.
That's the automotive building. That's HVAC building. You'll have classes in each one of those for sure. This is the diesel building. On this garage door, that's ag. All the combines are lined up in there. And then this garage door, that's all the semis. There's like 20 semis in there. And then over in these like side doors, that's where all the dyno engines are. That's where your 1000 building, that's where gen eds are gonna be. Barnes & Noble, that's a bookstore. This is the library slash cafeteria slash more gen eds. This is the hypo building. This is where most of the high performance classes are. I was in there for HVAC, but you probably won't be in there for HVAC. They just have like an overflow class. This is tractors. All in there is a bunch of shit ton of tractors and blah 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 blah. Oh, hello, ladies. Academy, that's where it's located. Fucking hell! Just finished shopping at Walmart. It's your boy Ethan. About to head to the pawn shop real quick, check out what they got there. Other than that, it should be not too bad. And the day after all, it's like bright sunny out. God bless America. And yeah. So Ethan on his way here, I guess, dropped his exhaust or something, or something about his exhaust is messed up, but he's about to totally park in here, completely crooked. Oh my god. So what's up with it?
The seat clamp falling off, so it's leaving a space.
Right there. Oh boys. Oh, you see that leak right there, y'all? Right there. Oh, she's mint. She'll perform. Just rip it all off. Axe. Yo, get it trending. Hashtag Axel dump the V8. Ready? Oh man, just got done shopping. Now it's time to bring all that inside. Let's get it. fucking lay on it. That's actually not even that loud.
Yeah.
Look at this day, dude. It's a perfect Ohio day.
Ready?
I mean, I wouldn't say it's loud at all. I would say just, I want him to rip the whole thing off, honestly. But I don't think he's gonna do it. Because my old roommate, he had like a K15, I think. And it was dual piped, open, and that thing was fucking loud. And it was a stick shift. And I remember driving to the farm and shit in the middle of the night, just bogging down these roads, and that thing was loud as fuck. I don't even know where he went. The kid's not even been here for 24 hours, and he thinks he can go and explore the neighborhood. Alright guys, that was the beginning of our day. We're done, we're home, groceries are put away. We're probably just gonna hang out for the rest of the day. Our landlord's coming here, we got some business to take care of. Then classes, today's Sunday, right? Yeah, classes start tomorrow. Maybe do a little bit of recording with that. I don't think I probably could bring a camera into class, but I don't think it would be received well. But other than that, I hope you guys liked this video a little bit more than the first one. I know it's this one will be put together a little bit more and a little better cut scenes and all that. But other than that, thanks for watching. It's only the second video, but if you're new, hell, subscribe, get a good laugh if you know me, and get your friends to laugh at me too. But I think this is going to be a little common thing now, me and Ethan just doing whatever day-to-day stuff. Other than that, catch y'all later. Fuck, I messed that up. Whatever.
Dude.